welcome back to the channel for today's video. Shout out to the fam over at MPC because we have some RSX billet lower control arms that we're going to be swapping on the RSX. Of course, I'm gonna head over to Randy's house, but before I do that, yeah, I got nothing else to say, so I guess we're just gonna go head over to Randy's house. So, call me Zosh the Tool Man Taylor. Your boy had to fix his mailbox with these zip ties, because when you open it, it used to like fall out, but now, Zosh the Tool Man Taylor, baby, holla at me.
You are now listening to 99.9 Shams with my man Zosh. Gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
Wagwan me youth, welcome back to Zosh Radio Station. Blazing in the heart of the hot, the herb of the herb. You're now tuned in to 99.9 Jams. It is now 2020, the start of a fresh start, a new beginning. We're gonna start off the new year with some of that fire. No, not the Batman fire, but that fire them pan and the replay fire. You see me? Turn up!
Everything we do, give thanks. Tell them what we do. Blow the end at the W. One thing there that we do.
I lucky things to me no go hard. I lucky thing we put myself.
I mean, if you be that.
Alright, so let's unbox this bad John right here, baby. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR pit stop. Hey, fresh paint job. Alright, so here we have my MPC lower control arms for my RS. Oh my god. Look how god damn. That's ice. Check me out, son. Look at the ice mode. Quavo, where you at, fam?
Ice.
Yeah, buddy. What you said, Randy?
I wish I could get some too. I want to be like you.
You want to be like me?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I promise you, in due time, you'll be just like me, bro. That means you gotta, that means you gonna have to, quit your job, start getting dumped a lot, and,
I don't think I want to be like you.
yeah. So here are these bad boys right here. RSX MPC lower control arms. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. And you can also use discount code Zosh to save you 10% off, playboy. And yeah, let's get these bad boys installed. We're gonna jack up the RSX, remove whatever we have to remove, and get them installed. As you guys can see, it's only like 4 bolts. 3 there, 1 there, and that's it. And we should be golden. Welcome back to Zosh Food Review. We got Phil. How that meat taste, Phil?
You mean chicken? I can't describe this thing as a meat.
Why? That's meat, my G.
Yeah, chicken, poultry.
Ooh, look at that cinematic right there. Ice. All right, so for the rear to remove the control arm, you have that look like a 14mm bolt, maybe a 17, and then you have 3 10.17mm bolts. Well, I think those are nuts. No, those are bolts that you gotta remove. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, playboy. My weapon of choice for today's install is my Milwaukee Fuel M18. What?
We had the bad boy in your bitch ass.
Man, I'm trying to get sponsored.
Ew.
Milwaukee is the best. Super facts. So here is a comparison of both control arms. This is OEM, of course, and then you got the MPC one, way thicker, more billet aluminum, a brand new bushing. So that's cool too. But that's it. Alright, so the MPC rear lower control arms are all installed. And that's it. See? Simple as simple. Look at these two fish swimming in a hammock. Fish!
What are you talking about? Every time you come around, you ask me, hey, it's gonna be there. Oh,
whoa.
Sophie just say, oh yeah, hey, Randy's coming. You know how?
Randy's what?
Say no more. I'll be over there.
Okay,
What?
I'm here too. You told me you coming. I'm home.
What? Oh my god.
Bro, what's wrong?
I don't know why they're not doing it no more, bro.
They don't love you like they used to.
I just don't know where I went wrong, bro.
You should just ask now. Bro, what are you doing?
Just about to end it all, bro.
Bro, you act like a bitch. Bro, you don't even smoke.
Shit, you right.
Bad bones?
Bad bones?
Bad bones.
Bad bones.
Bad bones.
Bad bones?
Bad bones?
Bad bones?
Bad bones?
Bad bones?
Why you do my shit?
And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And pop that subscribe button, pop that like button, and thank you. And if you have a DC5, an EP3, a DC2, a DC4, a DC Young Fly, link down below to MPCmotorsport.com for your lower and drop fork but lower control arms. Preferably if you have a DC5 and you want to change out them stock arms for some nice billet aluminum and silver or gold. I think they have black, I'm not too sure, but if they do, Wakanda forever. Link down below to MPC Motorsports and use discount code Zosh to save 10% off, fam. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I also bought a printer, so I can print out shipping labels and not have to go to the post office and spend like half my days there to mail out orders. So yeah, by the time this video goes live, my merchandise is out. So guys, if you want to support me and what I do as a creator, bring you guys good laughs and good entertainment, please buy a shirt, man. It'd be greatly appreciated. Help me out, and I get to bring more cool, dope products to you guys. So I'm out. Peace.